Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro and selecting the project you want to change. Once selected, press Command-J or choose Modify Properties to reveal the current resolution and frame rate. Pay attention to pixel aspect ratio and spatial conform settings because these determine how your clips scale. Make sure any source clips are backed up or optimized first, and then proceed to change the project preset or create a new custom project with the target width and height. Once done with the basics, create a new project or edit the current one to a custom preset. Choose File New Project and pick Custom Format. Type the exact width and height like 3840 by 2160 and pick the matching frame rate. Make sure to select the correct color space for delivery. Also set Spatial Conform to fit to preserve composition or fill to crop. This affects how clips are scaled. After applying, scrub the timeline to confirm shots look correct. You finish by exporting with correct settings. File Share Master File, then click Settings and confirm the resolution, codec, and color space match your target. Choose a codec like ProRes for quality or H, 264/H, 265 for smaller files. If you see unexpected black bars or stretched images, first check Spatial Conform and the individual clip's pixel aspect ratio. Make sure clips match the project or are scaled/cropped intentionally.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.